Hello doctors, I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm going to be demonstrating a chiropractic adjustment for the radius. Disclaimer alert. This is an instructional video for doctors of chiropractic to improve their extremity adjusting technique and for chiropractic students to learn extremity adjusting. If you are not a doctor of chiropractic, please do not attempt this technique. And if you are a patient, please do not let anyone who is not a doctor of chiropractic to attempt this technique. I will be discussing and demonstrating an adjustment technique for the radius bone in the elbow. Patient is standing, going to contact just posterior to the radius. What I like to do is put my non-adjusting hand on the wrist, and then we pronate the elbow. Take your tissue slack posterior to anterior, and your thrust is going to be in a posterior to anterior direction and lateral to medial. Okay, relax.